sipping on sunshine, feeling that breeze. The rhythm of the waves is putting my mind at ease. I got my cooler packed and my shades on tight. Today's the day, everything feels just right. Got my flip-flops on, ready to step, setting sail for adventure. No room for stress, got this song in my head. It's a perfect tune with the sun overhead. And the whole afternoon the water's beckoning, calling my name. This laid-back life, yeah, that's my game. Yeah, I'm gonna float my boat, and that's all she wrote. Chasing waves and dreams, that's my antidote. I'm gonna ride my boat till I can't no more. Feel the ocean breeze, hear the seagulls soar. I'm gonna float my boat, I'm gonna ride the coast, sailing through the blue, feel my spirit flow. Throw in some laughter, a couple of friends. We'll dance with the tides where the good times never end. The sun paints the horizon in colors so bright. In this paradise, everything feels so right. With the cooler full of snacks and our hearts wide open, we're chasing sunsets, the vibe is unbroken. I can hear the music, it's a sweet serenade. In this world of wonder, we'll never fade. Yeah, I'm gonna float my boat, and that's all she wrote. Chasing waves and dreams, that's my antidote. I'm gonna ride my boat till I can't no more. Feel the ocean breeze, hear the seagulls soar. I'm gonna float my boat, I'm gonna ride the coast, sailing through the blue, feel my spirit flow. We'll weave through the islands, our own little world. With every wave crashing, new stories unfurl. The laughter of children, the cry of a gull. Each moment is magic, each heartbeat is full. As the sun dips low and the stars start to shine, we'll anchor our dreams, let our worries unwind. Whatever floats my boat works for me. From sunrise to sunset, feeling wild and free. I'm gonna float my boat where the sea meets sky. With a boat full of friends, we'll let the good times fly. So here's to the moments, to the sun and the sea. In this life we're living, just you and me. We'll float on forever, neath the open sky. In this blissful escape, we'll always fly.